So
It's going to be a long, cold winter here in Jordan and across the world. Right now, tens of thousands.
And sport and just about everything. One of the questions is, why did it all happen then? What was the reason for this flashpoint? And perhaps it was
Boris Johnson,
something to do
who,
with
as you
the
recall,
topography
was, at the time of
ancient
this
Greece, the shadowy mountains,
debate, he was the mayor
and
of
the
London,
sea.
but he also became the Prime Minister of England.
England.
Now, I think he's back in government. I don't
of
remember what his
coastline
position
to
is, but
surface
they
area in the
brought him
world.
back, which has everybody
So there were
wondering, uh-oh,
big
what's going on?
kingdoms with big rulers,
Cameron.
down from
Cameron is back.
peasants,
Foreign.
but rather hundreds of little city-states arranged, as
But-
Plato said, like frogs around the pond, puffing out.
And in the middle of the blasted temple, there was a 40-foot statue in gold and ivory of the goddess Athena, by the way, right? Okay?
And Mary Beard.
Just as a final point, what happened to Sparta? What happened to Sparta in your discussion of, this is all great. Where's the dance?
word of democracy.
Where's this damn Spartan boot camp? Greece is not just Athens, Sunshine. It really isn't, right?
She called him Sunshine. That's cute. In any case, so the quiz question is, who do you think won the debate? If you follow it to the end, Mary actually wins the debate officially, but I'm wondering what you think. What did you think? Who won the debate? And the debate they're arguing over is Greece versus Rome. Which of those cultures had a greater impact on us? That's fun. By the way, she's quite the author. He is too, actually. He's got a lot of interesting books. In fact, the book she's holding there, she points out, was the book that he wrote where he said just the opposite of what he's saying in the debate, which that's pretty cool that she had that as an available thing to do. I'll quit at that point because we're done. See you Wednesday, though. Do some more current folks, hopefully, on Wednesday. Any questions? Are you guys having fun? Was this a good class? Did I keep you guys entertained? You got your money's worth, you think? Yes? That's important. This is a capitalist society. Bottom up. You
Make sure that grand is well spent.
Pardon?
Make sure that $700 is well spent.
Well, that's the thing, is it? I hope so, because otherwise, well, I'll give you a discount next time. No, I won't.
Class was
I
free
have
for
no
me.
control over that. Pardon?
It was free for me.
Ah, terrific.
Yeah.
Yay team.
Still worth it though.
Yeah. That's the high school for highest order scholarship.
It's AMCS, so it's like dual enrollment in high school.
That's right, that's right. That is way cool. I used to teach out of the Eagle River campus specifically for, wasn't just those folks, but about half of every class were folks that were just in the middle school program.
Yeah. It's more entertaining than high school. High school's boring.
I think you've been my sub a couple of times for True.
Oh, as a substitute in actual classes as opposed to in the middle school.
Yeah, as an actual classes. I know it's a middle college. I'm struggling to remember which one it is. My instinct tells me Spanish for some reason.
They gave me, my qualifications were social studies and foreign languages. And the oddest thing was the school district didn't discriminate. If you were foreign languages, they interpreted that to mean any foreign language.
Yeah.
So I got assigned to sub for all kinds of things. I learned a lot of Spanish doing that, especially in kindergarten. Spanish immersion kindergarten.
There's also another guy with a big beard, but he would wax his mustache out like straight and thin, so he could hang like Christmas ornaments on it.
I never had this big a beard when I did that. I was maybe about this far, but
So
But
a little
that's-
bit shorter.
have a
See you on
good.
Wednesday.
Yep. See you Wednesday.